Now at the hotel we are going to stay in. So here we are guys at Tagaytay already. So we will have adventures. Guys. So here's our hotel that we're going to be staying in. And guys, so we're going now. We're gonna be going, guys. Let's go. Guys, come with me. Come with me. It is my birthday. Guys.
Sige. Sige sir, mamaya natin pag-usapan pag na-twist mo.
Kasi
Sayang.
mas kahit siguro full outfit na lang doon kasi nakairo din.
Oo.
While you are there, please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, guys. Please, guys, like and subscribe. My first goal is 10,000.
Ayun.
Apatas. Mamaya pa yung picnic program.
Oo. Para makita natin yung view ng ano.
Ang dami na natin, Kuya Sakay. So, we are now at Tagaytay, guys. So mag-live ka na. Ay, so mag-ano ka na.
Hello, Merry Christmas to all.
Merry Christmas.
Meron doon sa picnic road, maraming pagkain. Sabi ko sa'yo na kaya makakakain talaga tayo pagdating.
This is it, guys. So,
Ay,
we are
sukain ka
just
ba,
going
kapatid?
to head out.
Ako naman nasuka ako noon. Pasuka, taga, suka-suka
Kuya!
ako. Alam mo kung saan, sa amoy pala ng pako.
Kuya, where are we going?
O, nang hindi naman kami magpapayo, ako hindi na ako magpapayo. Yes.
Kuya, where are we going to go? Kuya Ruel, where are we going to go?
Pupunta tayo ngayon sa
English.
we're gonna go to sa park.
We are going to park today, guys. So,
Yes.
we are just about to head to the park. So, it is very, very hot.
Doon sa picnic road, marami doon.
It is.
Picnic road ang tawag.
We are going to the picnic road. It is very, very hot here. The Gaiter Philippines. We are just going. We are just going to stay here for one day.
Yes.
So while we are about to head there, please take the time to like and subscribe.
Halika na, tatawid na tayo. Hanggat traffic.
Like, guys.
Ganda lang, sakay man.
Kuya Ruel! Kuya Ruel! Sikapan mo nga to.
Ha?
Sikipan mo nga to.
Kaya, halika dito man. Dito, dito. Pwede dun, diretso yun na lang yun, oh. Halika na, Karon. Tawa ka ba na? Patay mo na. Ito kayo na tayo. Dito tayo. Diyan masarap mag-video, tsaka mag-picture dyan sa picnic road. Hindi na yan, tignan mo naman yung lahat.
Guys, we're is about to head to the picnic road.